Hey, it's Deanne, and I wanted to show you how to make a delicious salad for lunch, dinner, or even a snack. All you need is a can of chickpeas. So these are organic chickpeas. This is a cup of organic cherry tomatoes, a cup of chopped cucumber peeled, a quarter cup of radishes. I love radishes. I happen to have some, so you don't have to put radishes in if you don't have those in your fridge. And then a quarter cup to a half a cup of fresh cilantro. Yum, yum, yum. And you're basically gonna mix that up in the bowl. You're gonna add some olive oil and a little bit of lemon or lime, whichever you happen to have, salt and pepper. So a little bit of sea salt and some fresh ground black pepper. A little bit of the lime. Some olive oil. And you've got an amazing salad. You can eat it right away. You can put a top on it, keep it in the fridge, and it will be a yummy for later. I hope you enjoy.